Nah, I really cannot believe this. Like, I really paid $900 for garbage. Hey everyone, it's your girl Emily, aka Millie Me. Welcome back to my channel. You already know the deal. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Period. Anyways, so today I'm gonna be doing another wig review, but it's gonna be a little different this time. I'm gonna be doing a celebrities stylist wig review. And I say quotation, I put quotation marks around when I say celebrity stylist because she's really big in New York City. I know she has worked with a couple celebrities. And anyways, yeah, so let me tell you. So I got this hair. It was $900. First of all, yeah, that's the first red flag. But I was like, it's for my birthday. It's colored hair. I'm expecting the best lace. I'm expecting the best quality hair. I'm expecting the best of the best. So I also was gonna try to book and install at the time. So I was like, okay, I know I've been to her before. So I know she do get the hair to look elite. So yeah, this was all through text. So like, you know, you cannot like cancel it the proper way because it was all done through text messages and Zelle. Yeah, so she's kind of smart for that. But yeah, so I messaged her. I'm like, hey, I'm gonna buy the Karen wig or whatever this wig is called. And then she's like, yeah, what let you want? I'm like, 22 inches. Sis is like $900. I really do need hair for my birthday. Yeah, so I'm just like, whatever. Boom. So we go on to the transaction, and I was like, because I live in New York City, I will just come pick up the wig so she don't have to ship it out. I would have thought she would reduce the price of shipping, but no, it still remained $900. So I was kind of shocked at that, first of all. So yeah, the wig took about 3 weeks. Yes, 3 weeks. She lied to me and said she was in Atlanta, talking about she's still working on a show. I accidentally went to the shop. She was not in Atlanta. She was in the shop. I went by accident. She told me she put the 7. She just put 7. So I'm thinking 7 o'clock. But she meant the 7th. So that's why I accidentally went to the shop. So the 7th finally came and I got my wig. She sent it to my house in an Uber. And the first thing I noticed about the wig was the length. I'm like, this doesn't look like 22 inches. And I text my friend to be like, am I tripping? Like, I put her on FaceTime and I showed her the wig. I put it on my head. I'm like, 22 inches looks like this? And then she was like, what if it's just curled? So I quickly pull out my tape measure. Yes, my tape measure. And I measured the wig to show my best friend I'm not bugging. And she was like, no, you're not bugging. So I sent the video. I documented that, took a video of me tape measuring the wig. And she's like, oh, I went ahead and put your wig in layers. So this is supposedly 22 inches in layers. So let me just rise up real quick. This is layers. This is layers according to... This is 22 inches. It looks more of a 18, but according to it's 22 inches. That's worth $900. Unbelievable. The quality is there, yes. The quality is there, but I was so upset because on Instagram the girl had She had a little ponytail. She had her hair styled up. I'm thinking I'm getting a full lace wig. I know we have a wig shortage, but at least tell us that we're not getting a full lace wig. So this side part is not even all the way back. It's like 1 inch. She did me dirty. Tell me why. I went to a celebrity hairstylist and the knots is not plucked. What? So I'm looking at this wig, and in the video you could definitely see the knots. So I'm sending her and I'm like, look, this is another problem I'm dealing with. So how are you, like, what? I guess like these big stylists, they only do they like clients with big names behind them. The little people care. Like, why would I not care about the condition of my wig? So I sent her the video and she never seen my skin type before. She don't know what I look like. Nothing. So I sent her the text message. She was like, oh, it's lightly bleached because of past customers, whatever. So the excuse when I went to her shop was, oh, because you're dark skin. How do you know I'm dark skin? How do you know I'm dark skin? So this is another reason why she gave me the lightly bleach. I ain't never heard of the term lightly bleach. I've been doing my hair. I've been going to other hairstylists too, and she never used that term with me. She never asked me if you want your wig lightly bleached, nothing like that. So I was really in shock. Like $900 for my knots not to be bleached. It was very visible. Nothing about it was light. Babe, let's look at this video again. Anyways, so I sent it back for her to bleach the knots because this is already a lot. Like, nah, I really cannot believe this. Like, I really paid $900 for garbage. I mean, she bleached the knots. It was whatever. The plucking is good. The hair quality is good. But is it worth $900? No! Honestly, find you a vendor's list and start practicing to do your hair on your own. Like, all these girls that's doing their hair on YouTube, like, learn the skills. Like, I seen that they posted Erica Tay's tutorial online. Learn it. It is not worth buying nobody's expensive hair, nobody's expensive wig, because you can find the vendors and do your hair by yourself. I mean, she didn't install it for me. I installed it by myself. And I was not about to, the knots was not bleached. And I was not about to go to the store and buy developer and all of that after I just paid $900 for this wig to be bleached. So I was confused, very confused. So it was definitely gonna have to be sent back for her to re-bleach. But this is again my experience with a celebrity hairstylist or a big stylist. Like, the stylist really did me dirty, bro. She did me dirty. And the fact that this is not a full lace, and I wish I knew that, because I would never have purchased this wig. Like, absolutely, I would never purchase this wig if I did not know it was not a full lace, because I wasted my money. Because I prefer side parts on me, personally. So, like, the fact that I can't make a part, like, this is fine, but, like, I gotta make sure the tracks is not showing to make sure this is styled perfectly instead of just putting the part and going. Feel me? But yeah, that's kind of annoying. These hairstylists really do start playing games because, you know, they only value people with resources that could benefit them. So if you're a regular person, just be careful. But that's my experience, y'all. I'm just telling y'all my experience. And honestly, I'm done with these stylists for facts. Let me just continue practicing to do this on my own because I could do it. Honestly, if they doing it, I can do it. What's the difference? That's all I gotta say, but it's whatever. I'm here to share my story so y'all don't go through what I went through. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Period.